All right, here we are. We're gonna use some unit rates to solve problems. So I'm gonna bring you through an example here. So we have 180 goldfish are at a pet store. There are goldfish in 4 tanks, each with the same number of fish. Determine how many fish there are in 3 tanks. So the first thing that we're going to do is identify what are the 2 things that we are comparing. And so I know that I have some number of goldfish and they are in tanks. So I'm comparing goldfish to tanks. What does the question tell me? Well, the question here is telling me that at a store there's 184 goldfish and there are 4 tanks. And what they are asking me to find out is how many goldfish are in 3 tanks. So here we are, we're in a situation where there is not a super awesome way to turn a 4 into a 3. So because of that, this is going to have to be a 2-step problem where I take my 184 goldfish in 4 tanks and I find out how many are in 1 tank and then use that unit rate to find out how many are in 3 tanks. So my path is pretty straightforward once I realize that I need to use this unit rate. So how do I turn a 4 into a 1? I'm going to divide that 4 by 4. And then how would I turn that 1 into a 3? So to turn a 1 into a 3, I'm going to multiply by 3. So here's where your calculator can come into play. So I'm going to have to do this exact same thing to 184. I'm going to have to divide 184 by 4. And using my calculator, I see that that is 46 goldfish per tank. 184 divided by 4 is 46. And now I'm going to take that 46, and because down here I had to multiply by 3, I need to do the same thing up here. I'm going to times by 3, so I'm going to use my calculator again. 46 times 3 is 138. So I wasn't able to turn that 4 into a 3, but because I do know that the unit rate is super helpful, I took that 4, I turned it into a 1, and then I turned that 1 into a 3. So there are 184 goldfish in 4 tanks, which means that there's 46 goldfish in 1 tank, which means that there has to be 138 goldfish. 138 fish in 3 tanks. Okay, so there we go. Hope that helps. Bye.